So we were going to see the waterfall and it is nearby, but ਆਪਾਂ ਅਚਾਨਕ ਇੱਥੇ ਰੁਕ ਗਏ ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਬਹੁਤ ਹੀ ਸੋਹਣੀ ਡੈਕੋਰੇਸ਼ਨ ਹੈ ਇਸ ਟੈਂਪਲ ਦੇ ਬਾਹਰ ਐਂਡ ਬਹੁਤ ਹੀ ਸੋਹਣੀ ਮੈਲੋਡੀ ਹੈਗੀ ਹੈ, ਲਾਈਕ ਬਹੁਤ ਹੀ ਅੱਛਾ ਮਿਊਜ਼ਿਕ। ਐਂਡ ਆਪਾਂ ਬਾਹਰ ਦੇ ਲੋਕਾਂ ਤੋਂ ਪੁੱਛਿਆ, ਲਾਈਕ ਬਾਹਰ ਖੜੇ ਸੀ ਕੁਝ ਨੇਟਿਵ ਪੀਪਲ ਤੇ ਆਪਾਂ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਤੋਂ ਪੁੱਛਿਆ, ਦੇ ਸੈਡ ਕਿ ਇਹ ਟੈਂਪਲ ਹੈਗਾ ਐਂਡ ਇਟਸ ਲਾਈਕ ਵੈਰੀ ਬਿਊਟੀਫੁਲ ਐਂਡ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਮਿਊਜ਼ਿਕ ਸੁਣ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ, ਬਹੁਤ ਸੋਹਣਾ ਹੈਗਾ। ਇਸ ਏਰੀਆ 'ਚ ਐਂਟਰੀ ਰਿਸਟ੍ਰਿਕਟਡ ਹੈਗੀ ਹੈ, ਇਹ ਮੇਨ ਟੈਂਪਲ ਹੈਗਾ। ਓਕੇ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਵਾਟਰਫਾਲ ਦੇਖਣ ਆਇਆ ਤੇ ਅਸੀਂ ਇੱਥੇ ਸਕੂਟਰ ਪਾਰਕ ਕੀਤਾ, ਦੈਨ ਅਸੀਂ ਪੇ ਕੀਤਾ 5000 Indonesian rupees, so
25 rupees in India.
yeah, so around 25 rupees. Here we are walking towards the waterfall and you can say, yeah, that's the waterfall, but you can't see the waterfall if you don't pay for any activity. So yeah, you must have to pay and enter to see the waterfall.
Okay, welcome to Taman Beji Griya Waterfall. Yes. For the first, we have the two kind of the healing here. For the healing by nature and healing by healer. Healing by nature, the name is purification. You go to the temple and waterfall, escort with our guide. Then, that's include for your sarung, towel, locker also.
There were so many things for like past traumas, past healing and purification and many more. So we did the simple purification thing. So we are going for our purification process.
Keep your locker here. Okay, thank you. One of you, yeah?
Okay, perfect. So yeah, let's see.
Yeah, I think
We are very excited.
they'll give us some like dress.
Yeah, they are going to give us the clothes, so we're gonna wear that, and we are wearing the clothes now, and they are giving us some offering as well, I guess, right? With our clothes.
So I think all prepared for the guys are the offering.
Yes.
We're gonna go there. This we call sana. Sorry, sana. This offering that you will present to the God.
Okay.
This we call dupa, incense. Dupa? Yeah, dupa.
Dhoop. Dhupa. Yeah, we also call it like dhoop. Yeah, we call it dhoop. Yeah.
And this is the offering to the God.
Yeah.
You are Hindu?
I am Hindu. Yeah.
But we know of the culture.
Yeah. So they gave us these offerings, so we have to give the offering to the gods, to the different gods, and she was very sweet. She's taking our pictures here, and seems she's professional taking all the videos. She was very, very nice.
The offering. Yes, come here. Yes, for you, Miss Pooja.
Yeah.
This one is the first temple in this temple, yeah? This is the symbol of guardian to protection the whole area in this temple. You give offering to give the permission, to make a permission with the God that you are do a purification. Yeah?
Okay.
So we are taking permission from yes. Later put one kanang with incense on the top, yeah?
Okay.
This all of you.
Yeah, okay, sure. Can you make the video?
Yes.
Just keep it like this. Okay.
Yes. We have to keep like all of them? Only one, yeah? Okay.
Yeah.
The name is Dewa Surya, the god of the sun and the light.
And here is the Lord Shiva.
Yeah,
Yeah.
the yellow umbrella. That one we have Barong Lando.
Oh.
Barong Lando.
And then the god Ganesh.
Only special Balinese men can do the dance.
Oh.
Usually when have the big ceremony in Bali, it's like a Galingan day. This Barong Lando will go around here and people will give offering with any fruit.
Anything. Okay.
More big offering, yeah?
Okay.
In my village, use this Barong Lando. But other village, maybe it's different, yeah?
Yeah. Okay. Thank you.
This one, do you know?
Ganesha. Yeah.
The god of intelligence, god of protection, and
Yeah.
god of wisdom. Yeah?
Yeah.
We should have to keep it here. Let's yeah?
Okay.
So, this one, Dewi Kwan Im, the god of compassion, the god of love. Yeah? This one, Saraswati. Yes.
Lord says, yeah. Lord.
Dewi Saraswati, god of education and knowledge.
Yes.
We celebrate every one in a year, yeah?
Yes.
We will collect the book and give the book offering on the top of the book. Almost with this, God is our god of water. God of water. This Dewi Ganga, god of the river.
Yeah.
Bunda Ratu, the god of the ocean and the sea. And the last, Dewi Danu, god of the lake.
Oh, nice. This is all of the part of purification. Now we are moving inside to give the offering to the gods and to do our purification. So it was quite good and relaxing. So yeah. So basically you have to be very grateful for all the things she was explaining. This is the god for water, this is for money, this is for this, that. So yeah. Once we done with our offerings, we provided offering to each god was present there, and then we have to drink this water, I think 3 times or 5 times, I don't remember. Then we have to wash our face as well and wash our head as well with this water, which is coming from the waterfall, I guess. Here we had to do one fun activity after all the purification and the screaming thing. So here we are now dancing. we did the very second or third last thing, I don't remember. So yeah, so basically we have to clean our face for 5 times as we did previously, and yes, so that's it. So here they are giving us the coconut water and to drink us and to for the, I don't know, purification thing. So this here we are giving the God the gratitude that we successfully did our purification process. And there was one white thing that we were putting on our head and on our back. So purification karke and the experience was really good. Price around like 1,500 something in Indian rupees, and about 18 euros. I don't know, 18 and 19 euros. Yeah, 18. So yeah, बहुत मजा आया. It was really good. I will definitely come back.